Does that look any better, y'all? No.
No basic zone.
It's English girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, welcome to my channel. My name is Stushy. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush gang, and also ring the bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. If you're already part of the Stush gang, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know I'm always happy to have you guys back. Check out a brand new video. So today, man, like this is probably one of the most glam looks that I've ever done in my entire life. So today, as you guys can see, we're going to be doing a pride theme, a LGBTQ themed look. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved today's look, stay tuned. I do want to let you guys know that this look took me a while. This video took a long time to film, so make sure you leave me a big thumbs up down below because yeah, it's 5:42 and I'm pretty sure that I started at like 1:30. No funny. So make sure you leave me a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Leave some positive stuff in the comments and let's get into it. So as you guys see, I've already done one eye off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye with you guys. So I'm going to be diving into like 4 different palettes. 3 of them are black owned. The first one is going to be the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. This is what she looks like, and I'm going to first go into the yellow shade, and I'm going to go into the pink shade as well. Just going to start to pack the shadows on my eye. I know the first color you guys see is like a white color, but don't worry, we'll get back to that. I'm going to use a different brush for every single color, and I'm going to just pack it on my eyelid and work it up crease area. I'm not too worried about blending because as you guys see, the stones do cover it, and some white liner. When I was drawing the heart, some white liner got on my brows. Don't worry, I'll fix that a little bit later. But let's go ahead and pack those 2 colors in, and then once I change the palette, I'll come back on here and yeah, show y'all what I'm doing. Let's go ahead. Cutie mirror on deck. I got some glue on it. It's just been messy, but I'm prepared to execute this look, so let's do it. Zoom y'all in a little bit more. That looks really good. Yes, quality. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have those 2 packed on. I kind of overlap the 2 just to help with blending it on the lid just a little bit, but again, I'm not focused too much on blending because things are going to be on top of the color like the heart and stuff. So yeah, so next palette that I'm going to be going into is the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place. This is what she looks like, and I'm actually going to be using this orange color right here. This is Zakia. I'm going to use that one right now to pack that orange on. Jumping back into the Warriors number 3 palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here for the green. This is the color Masai. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm using an angled brush to literally stamp it in. I just grabbed a ton of brushes, y'all. Baby, quality. Excuse me, I'm not sick. Just a calm sneeze, that's all. Now I'm going to be switching over to another black owned business. This is Plan and Makeup by Yolando Jamrock Extreme palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is the color Shireen, that blue color right there. I know it's a lot of jumping around, y'all. A lot of jumping around in different palettes. Bear with me. Now I'm going to use this color Stacy in the Plan and Makeup by Yolando palette, this purple color right here, and put it on the outer portion of my eye. The amount of brushes I gotta wash after this, y'all. Now I'm going to jump into this BH Cosmetics Eyes on the 60s palette. This is what she looks like. She's a little beat up. This is honestly one of the very first palettes that I ever purchased. I'm going to go ahead and use this white shadow right here for my inner corner to get that white to match on this side. And I'm going to try to be as precise as possible when packing this white on, because as you guys can see on this eye, it looks kind of carved out. Now jumping back into the Magic Mini palette, this palette right here, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and I'm going to use the shade Nana, which is this color right here, and flush it right above all the shadows that I just put down. So kind of like in my, right underneath my brow bone, to help to lightly just blend all the shadows. And I'm going in with the lightest hand, y'all. Now I'm going to go back in with all the shadows that I used, build up the color a little bit more. So let me go ahead and do that.
24 hours later.
Okay, I'm pretty content with that. Now let's go ahead and draw this heart on this eye. Now this heart took me a little while, not too long, but I know, well, let me not put that energy in the air. Using this NYX Vivid Brights liner in the color white, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to draw that. Okay.
Bitch, I'm scared.
As you guys can see, they don't match, but now obviously they don't match, but I'm too blessed to be stressed, okay?
Okay, and that's on a period.
But I'm not gonna play with it anymore, because if I change this one and make the outline thicker, then it's not gonna match this eye even more. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna go ahead with some glue. I'm gonna go ahead and add some clear glue inside of the hearts. I'm definitely gonna recreate this look maybe in a year to see how much my skills have improved. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this glitter on my eye. This one is from NYX. Don't worry, everything will be listed down below. This is what it looks like. I'm shaking some in the cap and I'm pressing it on. Not gonna lie, the perfectionist in me wants to fix it, so not the same, but I'm gonna thicken this one as well.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Does that look any better, y'all? No. It's a little bit more close. Obviously, this one doesn't have a bottom. This one does. But I think once I put on lashes, it might hide it just a little bit. Maybe. Good hopes. Now I'm going to go in with the Rhinestones. Got these from Dollar Tree. I've used them before on the channel. I'm going to use lash glue and just start to press those on. Really simple. Well, not really, but really, really tedious, but applying it is simple. Okay guys, so I went ahead and completed the eyes. I also went ahead and added my lashes in the style CAPRIAL, the signature lash style. Not gonna lie, I'm low-key tight that these don't match, but it's alright because I'm gonna be taking my pictures on one side. So only y'all gonna know on Instagram when I'm taking my pictures from this side, or on this side, you know, but hold it down, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera and I'll be right back.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, I'm back. I wiped off that heart and now I'm gonna try to redraw it. Sometimes I could definitely be a perfectionist, and today's one of those days. I just was not feeling it. So part 2, try again, and hopefully this time we get it right. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, so this is where I am right now. I think it looks a little bit better than the first heart that I drew, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera and then I'll be right back. Part 2, scene 2. I'm back, you guys. I went ahead and added some white in my waterline, and then I went ahead with the green that I put on my lid and my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some falsies, some short single lashes to the end of my lower lash line. This is different. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the look off camera and I'll be back with slow mos. Yes, I'm ready. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Y'all know I struggled a lot, but I think it turned out pretty well. I think I came through for pride. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know how you guys feel about today's look down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of today's look down below. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up before heading out. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush gang. Don't forget to also ring that bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads, because I upload consistently. Right now we're doing 4 videos a week, but once quarantine is over and done with, we're going to be going back to 3 videos a week. And yeah, if you haven't already followed my Instagram, go follow my Instagram at thestushlife. Go show love on some of the pictures from today's look, because I'm definitely going to be dropping some pics over there. I'm not going to hold you guys here much longer. It's pretty hot underneath these lights. So with that being said, I love you guys. Until next video, until next post, until next upload, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. A part of me was feeling today, for some reason, sometimes I can be in a, so I'm just gonna start to pack the I think I came through for that. I think I came. So if you're interested in seeing how I got, so if you're interested, and if you are, I think I came through for I think I came to create this look. This look took, if you did